Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, another reading na naman tayo today for the fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no? So, no, and of course, no, before we start, no, tignan natin, no, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Aries, no? 3 cards for Aries, please, universe. 3 cards for Aries. 3 cards for Aries. So, you have this, I'm not attracted, no? So, hindi attracted, no? Sino ang hindi attracted? So, let's see. You're my, you're my happiness, I'm yours forever. So, what is this? Enemy, lover, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, no, maybe Aries, no, for some of you, you are dealing with a water sign, no, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, no, so, no, meron dito, maybe you are, or, di ba, ito yung person mo, maybe for some of you, no, but it doesn't have to be, no, kumbaga, pwedeng ito lang yan, no, enemy, lover, so yung lover is your enemy, no? Something like that, no? So, parang katulad din to nung kay water sign ata yun, no? Na parang asot pusa, no? So, meron ditong I'm not attracted, no? So, but then, kumbaga ay siguro tong ano na to, no? Maybe dati, ang nakikita ko naman dito, mga water sign, Aries, no? Parang itong person na to, no? Siguro mahilig siyang magsalita sa iyo ng I love you, ganito, masaya ako sa iyo, yung mga sweet words, no, ganyan, di ba? But then, ang totoo, hindi naman talaga siya attracted sa iyo. Right? No? Nagsisinungaling tong tao na ito, no? Something like that, no? So, nararamdaman nyo rin yan, no, mga Aries, or ikaw to Aries, sinasabi mo sa person mo, but then, you are not attracted, right? Hindi mo naman talaga siya totoong mahal, hindi mo naman siya totoong gusto, no? Galit ka sa kanya, no? Kumbaga, meron dito, ang person niya ay ganitong sinasabi, sweet, but then, ang totoo, galit siya dun sa person niya, maybe ay marami kasing pwedeng mangyari bakit galit siya. Galit ka sa isa person mo eh. Pwedeng sabihin natin dahil siguro sa palagi niyong pagtatalo, naipon yung galit, no? Something like that, no? Pwede ring ganun, no? 'Di ba? Kaya nawala na yung attraction kasi laging nag-aaway, right? So yung isa rito, yun pala talaga may galit siya, no? Maybe naiinggit sa iyo kung ano man yung personality mo, baka talaga magkaiba kayo. 'Di ba? For some of you, magkaiba talaga yung ugali niyo, hindi kayo magkasundo. That's why, and then eventually, dahil laging nag-aaway, yung isa hindi na attracted, no? Something like that, no? So no, maybe ang isa rito hindi na attracted, no? Kasi nga, lagi nag-aaway, no? So, so just take what's resonate, no? So maybe ay kung ganun, lagi na rin kayo nag-aaway, parang toxic na rin yan, di ba? Right? Hindi na kailangan patagalin, di ba? For some of you. Kung meron nang hindi na nagiging attracted, right? So, kailangan na rin magdesisyon, no? For some of you, no, Aries, no? You have to decide sa relationship na ito, right? Hindi na to kailangan na parang nagbubulahan pa kayo ng merong ganito, but then ang totoo, magkaaway kayo talaga, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun lang naman yung nakikita ko rito, no? So, tignan naman natin what's the self-care advice for you, no? This coming week, mga Aries natin. Self-care advice for you this week, mga Aries natin. So, hindi natin kukunin yung nahulog, no? Sorry po. Ako yung kukuha. Sorry po, universe. So what's the self-care advice? So you have this clean your space, no? So sinasabi dito, Aries, no, maybe, no, this coming week, no, maglinis-linis ka daw, no, something like that, no. Maybe for some of you, literal talaga linis ng bahay, no. Hindi na maybe ay medyo maalikabok na rin, punas-punas rin pag may time, no? And this week na yon, no? So, this coming week. magkaroon kayo ng time kasi blockage din yan sa mga good energies, no? Positivity, no? Positive energies na bablock, 'di ba? Kung pag masyado nang maalikabok ang bahay, 'di ba? Something like that, no? So you have to clean your space, no? House, no? Whatever, no? So kung may business, sa business din maglinis din, no? Something like that, mga Aries, no? So ayan ang iyong self-care advice, no? Kasi makakabuti rin yun para sa iyo, no? Sa sarili mo. And of course, sa mga tao na kasama mo, right? Tulong-tulong kayo, maglinis kayo ng bahay, 'di ba? So, tingnan naman natin what's your inner goddess, no? Your inner strength na i-reveal sa iyo ni universe, no, mga Aries. So, let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card here. What's your inner strength? So, you have this medicine woman. So, yan, no, for some of you, baka you are a doctor, no, or for some of you ay you are, working in a hospital, no, something like that, nakakatulong kayo sa mga tao, no, or if not, you are this literally, no, you are like a medicine, no, something like that, no, you is kapag maybe for some of you magaling kayong mag-advise, no, 'di ba? Kasi nakakatulong kayong mag-heal yung mga tao, no? Something like that, na parang kapag nakausap kayo and then nagbigay kayo ng advice, no? Parang gumagaan, no? Eventually yung mga nakakausap nyo, nabibigyan nyo ng advice, gumagaan yung kanilang pakiramdam, no? So you're like a medicine, no, na para sa mga iba, no, na kapag ikaw yung nakakausap nila, gumagaan, nagkakaroon sila ng relief sa sarili nila, no? At nasasagot yung ibang mga problema nila, 'di ba? Na nagkakaroon ng solusyon, no? Something like that, nagkakaroon sila ng idea anong dapat gawin, no? Nakakabigay ka ng advice na nakakatulong sa mga tao, no? Something like that, no, Aries. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito. So, that is your inner strength, no? You are this na, you are helping people, no, for some of you na mag-heal, no, with that, no. So yeah, so maganda yung inyong inner strength, no. You are uplifting people, no, something like that, no. So yeah, that's it, no. So I hope naka-resonate ka sa ating reading for you, Aries, no. So yeah, thank you for watching, Aries. So, yan, let's continue with you, Leo. So, yeah, kamusta ka dyan, mga Leo natin? No? So, let's see, anong sitwasyon ninyo ng iyong person on your mind, no, mga Leo natin, right? So, let's see, what's the situation? 1, 2, 3, no? So, tignan natin yan. So, I really don't love you, no? So, parang katulad din kay Aries, no? So, hindi pala mahal. So, tignan natin. Oh, real soulmate, twin flame, meant to be. You are my everything, no? So, ano ito? May hindi mahal, I really don't love you. And then, you are my everything, no? So, yeah, no, maybe for some of you, Leo, no, maybe you are still in a connection, no, for some of you, Leo, or if not, you are recently separated with someone na hindi mo na mahal, no, something like that, no, because for some of you, Leo, I think you found your soulmate, no, maybe, or yeah, maybe for some of you in the near future, no, merong paparating na someone na talagang para sa iyo, no. So yeah, no, kumbaga maybe this one is this soulmate na talagang para sa iyo ay darating in the near future, no. And then for some of you nga ay because na may natapos na a relationship, no, Leo, no, with this I really don't love you. Meron ka nang tinapos na relasyon, no. Kumbaga ay wala ka ng pagmamahal na nararamdaman sa taon na yun, no. I don't know kung anong nangyari, but then yun nga, no, ito yung nakikita ko rito, meron kang tinapos na relasyon, no, for some of you, or meron ka nang na gustong tapusing relasyon. And then, yeah, in the near future, your real soulmate ay makikita mo na, no, makikilala mo na, and that is the person talaga na para sa iyo na, no, mga Leo, no. So maganda rin naman, no. So tignan naman natin what's your self-care advice for this week, Leo. Self-care advice for Leo, please. Self-care advice. So, family, no, Leo, no. So, yan, no, this week, no, maybe mayroon kayong mga gathering ng iyong family, no, or if not, ikaw na mag-organize, no, para ma-relief ka naman. Maybe you need hug ng iyong family, no, for some of you, di ba? Yeah, di ba? Kumbaga ay kailangan mo ng comfort ng iyong family right now. Maybe because may pinagdadaanan kayo, dahil for some of you ay you just have this separation recently lang, no, and you need someone to rely on, no, something to cry on, no, something like that, and you need your family, no. So maybe this coming week i-invite mo sila sa iyong house, no, something like that, para makapag-bonding kayo, right? And you need a hug then, no, for some of you, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito. So let's see what's your inner goddess, no, your inner strength na i-reveal ni universe sa'yo, no. What's your inner strength, no, mga Leo natin. So hindi natin kukunin yung nahuhulog, please. So yeah, what's your inner strength? Tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Leo. So, you have this, no? So, parehas kay Earth sign, you have this lion-hearted, no? So, you have this na, kumbaga ay matapang ka, no? Kumbaga ay may kung ano yung nagiging desisyon ng puso mo, ay yun na talaga, no? May isang salita ka, no? Something like that, no? Kapag ang puso mo ay nasaktan, kung ano yung desisyon, ayun na talaga, no? Parang yung nagsasama dito yung heart and mind, no? Nagiging matigas, no? Something like that, no? That's why parang dapat wag mong iti-trigger yung, 'di ba, Leo, right? No, so lion. So, 'di ba, wag iti-trigger yung mga puso ng ating mga Leo, right? Kasi kapag nasaktan 'yan, grabe kung masaktan, right? At grabe kung magalit, 'di ba? Like a lion-hearted, no? So matigas at sobrang magagalit talaga, magdadamdam kung makikita mo malungkot yung kanyang eyes, right? So kasi nasasaktan siya, no? Kahit na sabi mong matapang siya, but then kahit na ang tapang niya, pero deep inside masakit yun, eh. 'Di ba? Nagtatapang-tapangan siya, but then masakit, right? Yun yung sinasabi rito, no? So kumbaga dito ay Leo, no, ang iyong inner strength is yung pagiging matapang mo, no. But then still you are this naman na you have this pure-hearted naman or kind-hearted, no. Even though it's like a lion, no. But then you also have this soft side pa rin, no. Nasasaktan ka pa rin, no. Kahit sabi natin matigas yung puso, no, for some of you akala nila ganun ka. But hindi nila alam na sasaktan ka rin, no? Nagmamatigas ka lang because ayun yung dapat gawin, no? So, alam mo kasi yung dapat gawin na kung kailan dapat maging matigas ang puso, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun lang naman yung reading sa'yo for you, mga Leo natin. So, I hope naka-resonate ka sa ating reading for you today, no? So, yeah, thank you for watching, Leo. So, yeah, no, let's proceed to you, Sag, no? So, how are you dyan, mga Sag natin? So, tignan natin, no, what's the situation, no, ninyo, ng iyong person right now. So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Sag, no? So, please, 3 cards for Sagittarius. So, 1, 2, and 3. So, tignan natin yan. So, you have this, no? Ito na naman tayo sa mga player, no? Playing games, my nature. So, but then I am worthless because you are a player, no? That's why. Meron bang worth it na player? 'di ba? 'Di ba? I can change myself, no? So maybe ikaw ito, Sag, no? Or the person you are dealing with, right? No? So talagang wala ng pag-asa to. A player is a player, no? Something like that, no? So hindi niya talaga mabago ang sarili niya, no? But then feeling worthless naman siya. Aminado siya doon, but then meron talaga siyang mga bagay or eto siya na he can't resist, no, sa mga temptation, no, something like that. So ang kumaga mataas ang kanyang sexual desires, no, sa mga persons, right? No, so hindi niya kayang baguhin yung sarili niya, no. So alam mo na to, no, for sure, mga Sag or cross watchers or person mo man ito, right? So talagang wala ng pag-asa, no. So maybe ay nagtapos na rin ang relationship nyo with this person, right? So let's see what's the self-care advice for you, no, mga Sag, no. Tignan natin. Self-care advice for this coming week. So, make an altar, no? Sinasabi dito, Sag, no? So, maybe for some of you, wala pa kayong altar talaga sa bahay na talagang altar. So, make an altar, no? Para kapag nagdadasal kayo, ay mas nafe-feel nyo yung aura nyo, no? Nakaharap kayo sa inyong altar, right? No? So, eto daw yung gawin nyo, no? So, para every time na stressful kayo, tingin lang kayo sa altar nyo, baka nakakapagpa-relieve ng inyong stress din yan, right? No, ako nga minsan pag napapatingin ako sa mga kay Santo Niño, pag galit ako, pag nagagalit ako, pag napalingon akong ganyan, biglang, ay sorry po, napapaganon ako no? Something like that, no? So yeah, no, that's your self-care advice, no, for this coming week, no? Make an altar for your home, no? Or your space, no, kung nasan ka man right now. So, tignan natin, no, what's your inner goddess, no, or your inner strength na i-reveal sa'yo ni universe, right? So, let's see. What's your inner strength, no, mga Sag? So, kuha tayo ng one card for you. So, you have this soul sisters, no, two heart sister. So, kumbaga, ikaw to, no, Sag, no? So, mapagmahal ka sa iyong siblings, sa iyong family, no? Kahit sa mga kaibigan mo. You have this, no, kapag ka, may pagka-loyalty ka, no? 'Di ba? Kumbaga, ay, literally, no, for some of you talaga, ay, yun nga, ay, sa mga kapatid mo, sobrang mapagmahal ka sa iyong mga kapatid, no? So, that's your inner strength, no? Yung kapatid mo, siblings mo, sila yung nagpapalakas ng loob mo, no? Mga Sag, no? So, kumbaga ay parang hindi ka sumusuko sa hamon ng buhay because of your siblings, no? Kasi nga ay mahal na mahal mo sila, no? Something like that, no? So, ito yung iyong inner strength na sinasabi sa iyo ni universe, right? No, so yeah, continue mo lang 'yan, ang iyong pagmamahal sa iyong pamilya, no, sa iyong mga kapatid, no. So yeah, that's it for you, mga Sag, no. So I hope naka-resonate ka sa iyong reading today, no, mga Sagittarius natin. And of course, all of you, no, mga fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag, no. So ang gaganda rin naman ng iyong mga inner strength na na-reveal ni universe for you, no, mga fire signs. And of course, i-try nyong gawin yung mga self-care advices for you, no, mga fire signs. So yeah, always pray lang and have faith kay God, no, mga fire signs. And lahat ng mga pagsubok, may solusyon, basta maniniwala kayo sa sarili nyo. And of course, kay God, no, kapit lang kayo, huwag kayong bibitaw, right? No, so that's it for you, mga fire sign. And of course, thank you for watching, fire signs.